First of all, this is cube root, please don't be confused. uh, X, Y, Z is greater than 0, and this is given. Which of the following can be true? Can be ones are a bit easier. We just need to look for one case where they are true, and then the statement is alright. Where it says must be true, you have to be extra sure. So one is definitely possible when, say, X is a big number, Y is a relatively small number, and Z is a relatively smaller number. So X is greater than Y is greater than Z, and of course square root values will be respectively bigger. So one is definitely possible. Come to statement 2. This is also possible. Let's say X is equal to, no, it says these are square roots, so negative values are not possible, and this anyway says it's greater than 0. So this would not be possible, I'm sorry. Statement 2 is not possible. Come to third case. In case when X is a big number, let's say X is equal to 10, and Y and Z are small fractions between 0 and 1. For example, let's say Y is equal to 0.9 and Z is equal to 0.89. So see, otherwise Y is greater than Z, but when you find the square root of 0.9, this will be something like 0.95. But when you find the cube root of 0.89, what is that number when multiplied thrice by itself will give you 0.89? My intuition is that the number would be something like 0.97. 0.97 square will be 0.94, and 0.94 into 0.97 will be 0.91, So in such cases, or to make it even clear, take Y is equal to 0.6 and Z is equal to 0.59. Here this distinction would be even more clear. Square root of 0.5 will be exactly 0.7, or square root of Y is needed, sorry, square root of 0.6, this would be approximately 0.8, a bit less than that, 0.7 something. But cube root of 0.5, think which is that number which when multiplied by itself 3 times will give you a value like 0.5, or what if this were 0.59? So of course cube root will be a value which would be significantly better than this, bigger than this. So this is also possible. 1 and 3 are possible. So the answer is option D.